How to create a group or a party on Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to easily create a new group or a party on your Roblox chat. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to your channel. And if you are new here, turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Now let's jump right in. So if you're trying to create a party or create a group for your friends on Roblox, then you're in the right place. So the first thing you do is open up your Roblox account and make sure that you are logged into your app. And then if you have the latest version of the app, which you can check on both Google Play Store and App Store, what you have to do is once you land on the home page, tap on the bottom right side of your screen where it says party. You also have other options. So just tap on party, or in some cases it will show you chat. Just tap on it. And from here, all you have to do now is tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. So what it will do is it will allow you to create a new party with your friends. So if you want, you can just search for the name of your friends. You can create a party of up to 5 people. I'm just going to add 3 of my friends here and then simply tap on create. And as you can see here, a new group or a party has been created. And now here you can type in your messages. So that's pretty much it. If you found the tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.